Hello, welcome to our problem of the day. It's math time and it's Super Mario Math Challenges Week. Woo, it's so fun. Today is May 13th, 2020, so let's get started. Our math norms. Listen to classmates and teachers. We appreciate mistakes because that's learning. We can learn from each other because we all do math at high levels. Math is about creativity and solving problems. Speed is not a math value, and math talk is necessary. All right, here's our problem of the day. Our learning target is I can use problem-solving strategies to solve the problem. So let's read the directions here. It says Super Mario Math Challenge. The area model below represents the value of 182. Find the value of each icon. So we need to figure out what mushroom, flower, Mario, the red shell, and the star is equal to. Okay, I'm going to put it on pause. I want you to work on that right now. Have fun. All right, I'm back. I've got my handy dandy marker here and I'm ready to go. So kind of like in our problem yesterday where we were trying to figure out what the boxes stood for, that's kind of like what we're doing today. So we know that everything here equals 182. 182, sorry. You know when I'm trying to write it on my little pad here, it's kind of tricky for me, right? So we know that everything needs to equal 182. We know we've got 100 already right here, okay? And we know it's 10 times something is going to be star. So 10 times whatever shell is going to be star. We also know that we've got a mushroom here. Mushroom times star equals Mario. Okay, now we know that in here it's 10 times star equals 100. So what does 10 times mystery number equal 100? It's 10. Okay. So that helps a little bit because we know that 10 times 10 is 100. Okay. So I'm going to make a 10 for the star so that we know that. Okay. And then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to subtract 100 from 182 because we've already figured that out. Okay, so 2 minus 0 is 2, 8 minus 0 is 8, so it's, and then 1 minus 1 is 0. So we've got 82 for all of this. And then I also know that I have star times shell is 12. Okay, so star times shell is 12. So I can subtract 12 because I know that's already out, right guys? Because we already have it right here. So 2 minus 2 is 0, 8 minus 1 is 70. So we know that this plus this has got to equal 70, but we're still trying to figure it out, right guys? Okay, so I'm trying to think here. Mushroom times 10 is going to equal Mario. Okay, and I know mushroom times shell is equal to 12. So I'm trying to think about this. Mushroom times shell equals 12, and 10 times shell equals star. And I have to get 70. Okay, so what I'm thinking is that the mushroom, I'm thinking the mushroom is going to be a 4. I'm thinking the mushroom is going to be a 4. So 4 times 10 is 40. Okay, so if I subtract 40 here, then I'm going to get, I'm not sure if you're seeing all this, but I'm going to get 30 left. So I know that 4 times 10 is 40. So I can make Mario a 40. And I also know that So if this is a 4, then 12 divided by 4, this would be a 3. So 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 10 is 30. So now I can start filling in my chunks here, right? So we know that the mushroom is 4, the red shell is 3, and the star is 30. Now, if I didn't know that this was 4, I would have to keep trying other numbers over and over again to figure it out. Okay, but what also helped me figure this out was knowing that I had 70 left, and then I also had to figure out what number times what number equals 12. So all these little hints help me kind of put the puzzles together. Okay, I hope this helped. I hope you have a terrific day, and we have another Mario challenge for you tomorrow.